Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is a free video critique of a Tropical Art Plus. And I'm on a home page, and I can see that you are displaying your products here, so it's perfect. I'm not sure if you noticed, but on my screen the text and the images have got this kind of funny halo, which indicates that they are there either uploaded in a wrong format, or perhaps it was a screenshot taken from another website and uploaded here, because this bottom border bottom part is cut off, as you can see. It would be great to upload this as a text, not as a text with an image. It will be better quality. Also, the call to action such as buy now or shop now and so on, so people can click this image and browse your collections. This will create urgency and will help you connect with your visitors. What's New section looks great, so you show your products, which is fantastic. It would be better to put one of your keywords here, such as shop, latest illustration, print, or something like that, so it's more defined for Google and more defined for your visitors. One size doesn't fit all, so this is, I mean, this is a good tagline, but perhaps it requires a bit of for visitors, stopping the tracks, is thinking, what do you mean? Do you mean like I can buy smaller, I can buy bigger print? It's just, it doesn't create this kind of smooth navigation, smooth understanding of what you mean, which is what online shoppers are really looking for. So having something straightforward and transparent, such as shop prints from small to big, or any size required, or any custom size, it definitely creates this kind of instant understanding of what you mean. One size doesn't fit all. This tagline can be great for social media, but it just doesn't work on a website in order to convert instantly. And my own customer also doesn't really add anything in terms of conversion. There's no call to action. There's no really explanation what you mean. People feel like they actually have to spend the time to read this block of text to understand, which not many people will be prepared to do it. So definitely there's area to work on. And if you would like to receive more detailed review of your SEO, of your conversion rate, of your product page, collection page, please request a critique on my website. I will send you a link with the email confirmation. Thank you so much for your time again. Bye bye.